In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add the Get Short Link button in WordPress. Authors can quickly get short links for their published posts, making it easier to share their content on social media, in emails, or other promotional channels. Short links are more user-friendly and take up less space. A button will simply be added here containing the short link for the respective posts. For that, hover over the appearance and click on the theme file editor. Go to Theme Functions, scroll down, and here we need to add a code. This is the code for adding a short link button. I'll mention the code in the description below, and you can get it from there. Once done, click on Update File. Moving back, let's check the code in action. On refreshing, you can see the button over here. Simply click on it, and you can see the pop-up containing a short URL to share. Now, you can also learn how to link to external files in post titles in WordPress. And then we have a video where we can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. And this is how easy it is to add the Get Short Link button in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.